Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Here's a structured explanation of the role of AI and its influence on customer churn rate in contact centers. Let's talk about one of the most powerful tools in modern retention strategy, predictive analytics and early churn detection. First, AI models. Machine learning can analyze call history, customer sentiment, survey scores, and repeat contact patterns to flag customers who are most at risk of leaving. Instead of reacting after they churn, we can see the signals early. Second, proactive retention. Once these at-risk customers are identified, agents or retention teams can prioritize them with special offers, callbacks, or targeted outreach. This shifts the strategy from reactive firefighting to proactive engagement. Example: if AI predicts that 15% of customers with 3 or more billing complaints in 30 days are likely to churn, the system can auto-flag those customers for VIP routing, ensuring faster, more personalized support. In short, predictive analytics turns churn from a surprise into a signal we can act on. Let's explore how sentiment and behavior analysis can give us powerful early warning signals for churn. First, real-time sentiment tracking. AI can monitor tone, keywords, and escalation patterns during live calls or chats. When sentiment starts to shift negatively, the system can alert agents or supervisors in the moment, not after the fact. Second, post-interaction insights. AI doesn't just listen during the conversation, it also scans CSAT, NPS, and CES feedback to identify the key drivers behind customer dissatisfaction. These insights reveal exactly where friction is happening. Third, churn risk alerts. When negative sentiment is detected over multiple interactions, it acts as an early churn signal. This allows retention teams to step in with targeted recovery efforts before the customer decides to leave. In short, sentiment and behavior analysis turns customer emotion into actionable intelligence, helping teams prevent churn before it happens. Let's talk about how personalized retention strategies can transform churn management from a broad effort into a precise, targeted intervention. First, dynamic offers. AI can create tailored win-back offers like discounts, upgrades, or loyalty rewards based on each customer's profile and lifetime value. The higher the value, the more strategic and personalized the offer. Second, intelligent routing. High-risk customers aren't just routed randomly. With intelligent routing, they can be connected to the most skilled or empathetic agents, giving them a higher chance of receiving a great experience and staying loyal. Third, customized communication. AI can guide agents in real time, suggesting personalized scripts, tone adjustments, and conversation strategies to better engage churn-prone customers. In short, personalization isn't just a nice touch, it's a powerful retention lever that turns at-risk customers into saved relationships. Let's explore how service experience optimization can significantly reduce churn and improve customer loyalty. First, queue management. With AI-powered workforce management, staffing can be dynamically optimized to match demand. This means shorter wait times, lower abandon rates, and a smoother overall service experience. Second, self-service enhancement. When NLP-driven chatbots and IVR systems handle routine queries instantly, customers get quick answers without waiting for an agent. This reduces frustration and gives live agents more time for complex issues. Third, knowledge-based support. AI ensures that FAQs and knowledge articles are always accurate and up to date. This helps both customers and agents resolve issues faster, creating consistency, confidence, and trust in the service. In short, optimizing the service experience isn't just about efficiency, it's about removing friction and making every customer interaction feel effortless. Let's talk about one of the most effective ways to fight churn from the inside out, empowering agents. First, AI Copilot tools. With real-time suggestions, compliance checks, and empathy coaching, agents get instant guidance during live interactions. This boosts resolution quality and builds stronger customer trust. Second, after-call work automation. By letting AI handle call summaries and CRM updates automatically, agents can spend less time on admin tasks and more time engaging customers, where real value is created. Third, training insights. AI can analyze performance patterns, identify skill gaps linked to churn outcomes, and recommend targeted microlearning modules. This turns training into a continuous, data-driven process that strengthens agent capability over time. In short, when agents are equipped with the right tools, support, and insights, they don't just handle calls, they protect customer loyalty. Let's talk about how strategic insights and forecasting help us stay ahead of churn, not just react to it. First, churn prediction dashboards. Leadership can monitor real-time churn risk broken down by segment, region, or product line. This gives decision-makers a clear, dynamic view of where to focus retention efforts. Second, root cause analysis. AI can detect and highlight systemic issues like recurring billing errors, long queues, or gaps in agent knowledge that directly drive churn. Identifying these root causes early helps eliminate them before they escalate. Third, scenario modeling. With AI-driven simulations, we can see the impact of operational changes before implementing them. For example, reducing average wait time by 30 seconds could bring churn down by 2%. This turns guesswork into strategy. In short, strategic forecasting transforms churn from something we react to into something we can predict, plan for, and prevent. Let's talk about the economic and brand impact of effective churn management. First, revenue protection. Every customer we retain protects customer lifetime value. Lower churn means stronger ROI on marketing and sales investments because we are maximizing the value of the customers we've already won. Second, brand reputation. AI helps detect dissatisfaction early and enables faster recovery for unhappy customers. This reduces negative sentiment and keeps damaging complaints from spreading on social media, protecting the brand's image and trust. Third, cost efficiency. Preventing churn through AI-driven insights is far more cost-effective than reacquiring lost customers. Retention isn't just good for experience, it's good business. In short, churn reduction doesn't just boost performance metrics, it strengthens revenue, reputation, and efficiency. In summary, AI transforms churn management from reactive firefighting to proactive strategy. It doesn't wait for customers to leave, it predicts churn before it happens, using data and patterns that humans might miss. It empowers agents with real-time insights, helping them respond with speed, empathy, and precision. It personalizes retention strategies, ensuring every customer interaction is meaningful and targeted. And it optimizes operations, making sure service delivery is smooth, fast, and scalable, sustaining long-term loyalty. AI doesn't just support churn reduction, it powers it. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.